Siddhesh Sharma, the president of Shri Baidnath Bhavan, Shri Baidnath Ayurved Bhavan Private Limited. Shri Baidnath Ayurved Bhavan Private Limited, a household brand in Ayurvedic medicines, is launching a new product called PainQuit Oil and PainQuit Tablets. PainQuit Oil is basically, PainQuit Oil and Tablets is for people who have all ortho-related problems, joint pain, muscular pain, sprains, sports injuries. So these are the main people who will really benefit from this oil. The main ingredients of PainQuit are Mahavishgarbha and Prasarini. These two are time-tested ancient oils that have been proven and that have been giving benefits to people all around the world for a long time. Now we have just come up with a unique formulation where it is absorbed faster in the body and gives you faster relief. PainQuit tablet is also a different formulation here, where we have our R&D department has come up with herbal extracts. Instead of using raw herbs in manufacturing, we use herbal extracts, which gives better efficacy and consistency in the product. So I would recommend, if both the products are taken together, the external application of the oil and internal consumption of PainQuit tablets, will definitely give you very good relief in all joint and muscular pains. PainQuit tablets and oil are available in 5 states now in India, in Maharashtra, in Madhya Pradesh, in Chhattisgarh, in Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka. Very soon we will be launching it pan-India and it will be available in all the states of the country. It is available in all Ayurvedic counters as well as all leading chemist counters. So it's available everywhere basically.
How about the pricing, sir? Is it reasonable?
So the pricing is very, very competitive. We have made sure that we are not charging, even though a lot of R&D has gone into the product, but Baidyanath has always been very clear about its purpose and motive, that we want to spread Ayurveda and help people as much as possible. The pricing is very competitive. PainQuit oil for 100 ml is priced at 290 rupees MRP, and PainQuit tablets is 30 tablets priced at 210 rupees is the MRP. So you have a very good combination of only 500 rupees that you're taking, which is an entire course of 1 week, in which you will start seeing good results and start reducing your pains.
Sir, you being the president, what are your future plans, sir?
The future plans are such that we are in the midst of launching some new products. Our focus is on lifestyle diseases because of today's day and age, today's traveling, today's eating habits. These problems like stress, acidity, diabetes, and of course pain that we've already entered into. These are the main categories that we will be launching our newer products in, and we've already the entire range of Baidyanath is already available in pan India, but we also want to target the global market.
Sir, compared to the allopathic medicines, so you are into
the main advantage of Ayurvedic medicines,
yes, sir,
is over allopathy is this, that there are no side effects. That is being the number one advantage. And number two is this, that these drugs, Ayurvedic drugs, help in curing your problem rather than giving you temporary relief.